In this video, I'll show you how to upload images to Claude AI quickly and easily. This is useful if you want Claude to analyze or describe an image for you. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main chat screen. Next, I'll move my cursor to the message box at the bottom of the chat window where I normally type my prompt. On the left side of the message field, I'll click the plus icon to open the upload options. From the menu that appears, I'll choose the option to upload a file or image. After clicking that, a file browser window will open on my computer. Here, I'll navigate to the image I want to upload, select it, and then click Open. Once the file uploads, the image will appear inside the chat message area. From here, I can type a prompt asking Claude to analyze the image, describe it, extract text, or answer questions about it. When everything is ready, I'll click the Send button to submit the message along with the uploaded image. Claude will then process the image and generate a response based on the prompt I provided, and that's it. I've successfully uploaded an image to Claude AI. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple AI tutorials and guides.